Erin here with Erin Makes, and today we're going to make paper filtered French press, and it'll take us only about 10 minutes. So let's go. Our main ingredients for this is going to be a way to get hot water. We have this hot water tea kettle maker, a French press as well, and then we have some paper filters, coffee beans, ground or not ground, and water. And then of course, any other milk, French vanilla, syrup, whatever toppings you want. I like to put French vanilla sugar-free into my coffee, so we'll add that too. First we'll fill this up and we're gonna get it to essentially just below boiling. Water. I only filled up the kettle to halfway because I'm the only one drinking coffee this morning. Just gonna put it in and turn it on and wait till it gets hot. You actually don't want boiling water for French press coffee, or really any coffee, because it'll burn the ground beans and then it'll taste more bitter. So if you do end up boiling your water on accident or you just leave it sitting there, totally fine. You can just let it sit for 30 or 60 seconds and then that should reduce the water temperature enough that you can put it over your coffee. I like freshly ground beans. These containers are from Amazon and this grinder is also from Amazon. Adding paper filters is 100% not necessary if you don't want to do that. If you're just looking for how to use French press for the first time, this is a great video. But if you also want to know how to use a paper filter with it, just to reduce the amount of coffee oils in your coffee, this is what I've been doing and it seems to work really, really great. So we're just gonna pour our grounds in here. Gorgeous. And now we have our water that is just below boiling. So we're gonna pour that in as well. You'll see these bubbles form immediately at the top of your coffee along with all the grounds, and you just want to give it one quick mix before you let it sit for 5-ish minutes. Now we're just going to wait around 5 minutes. Last step for the French press is to add in the filter, and again I'm going to put a paper filter in addition, which you don't have to do. There's already a metal filter here, but it does help prevent some of that sludge at the bottom of your coffee cup. So we'll take this coffee cup and this is the only kind of tricky part here, so I just want to make sure that it kind of just stays around the edges. And then from there, we're just gonna do French press as normal. And French press is pretty simple. You press it down. You can also mix your coffee right before you do this. It's pretty good for the grounds as well. And then we'll just line this up, kind of spin the lid here to lock it in, and we're good to go. And then for cleanup, you can just take out the paper filter, dump your coffee when you're done. Cheers and thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more.